Riches. Essential skills for becoming a millionaire. Welcome to the world of riches, where the pursuit of becoming a millionaire goes beyond financial strategies. Achieving wealth requires skills. True wealth goes beyond bank balances, encompassing character and impact. With determination, open yourself to opportunities and embark on a transformative journey toward extraordinary success. Let go of self-doubt, harness the power of your thoughts, and embrace the must-have skills that will set you on the path to riches. Cultivating a millionaire mindset. It all begins with believing in yourself and your ability to accomplish greatness. Embrace a positive attitude, seeing challenges as stepping stones to success. Resilience becomes your armor, allowing you to bounce back from setbacks and stay focused on your goals. Adopt an unwavering determination to overcome obstacles and maintain an optimistic outlook even when faced with adversity. Cultivating a millionaire mindset means developing an abundance mentality, believing that there are limitless opportunities for wealth and success. Visualize your goals, create a clear vision of your desired future, and take consistent action towards it. Remember, your mindset is the foundation upon which your financial success is built, so nourish it with positive thoughts, unwavering belief, and a relentless pursuit of your dreams. Cultivate a millionaire mindset, and watch as the path to riches unfolds before you. Taking calculated risks. It requires stepping outside your comfort zone and embracing opportunities that may seem uncertain or unfamiliar. Instead of being paralyzed by fear, view risks as gateways to growth and success. Calculated risks involve thorough analysis, assessing potential outcomes and weighing the rewards against the possible drawbacks. Embrace the mindset of a risk-taker, understanding that great achievements often require stepping into the unknown. By taking calculated risks, you open yourself up to new possibilities, expanded horizons, and exponential growth. Strong work ethic. A strong work ethic is a fundamental skill on the path to riches and becoming a millionaire. It is the unwavering dedication and commitment to putting in the necessary effort and going the extra mile. A strong work ethic means being willing to sacrifice short-term gratification for long-term success. It involves discipline, consistency, and a relentless pursuit of excellence in everything you do. Embrace the mindset of a hard worker, understanding that success is not handed on a silver platter, but earned through sweat, determination, and perseverance. Technical skills. These skills encompass the knowledge and expertise required to excel in a specific field or industry. Whether it's mastering coding, financial analysis, marketing, or any other specialized area, honing your technical skills is the key to unlocking professional success. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and growth, always seeking ways to expand your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. Invest time and effort in developing proficiency in your chosen field, understanding that expertise opens doors to lucrative opportunities. Financial education. This empowers you with the knowledge and understanding of how money works, enabling you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial destiny. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner, constantly seeking opportunities to expand your financial knowledge. Educate yourself about budgeting, investing, saving, and managing debt. Understand the principles of compounding, diversification, and risk management. By equipping yourself with financial education, you gain the confidence to navigate the complex world of money and leverage it to your advantage. Embrace the power of financial literacy, knowing that it is not just about accumulating wealth, but about creating a solid foundation for a prosperous and fulfilling life. Invest in your financial education, and watch as your newfound knowledge propels you towards the riches you desire, bringing you closer to financial freedom and the life you envision. Attention savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. Diversification. It involves spreading your investments and income streams across various assets, industries, and opportunities. By diversifying, you mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Embrace the mindset of a savvy investor, understanding that putting all your eggs in one basket can be risky. Instead, diversify your portfolio, explore different business ventures, and seek multiple sources of income. Embrace the power of adaptability and flexibility, knowing that markets and circumstances can change rapidly. By diversifying, you position yourself to take advantage of emerging trends and capitalize on new opportunities. Embrace the skill of diversification, and watch as your wealth grows through a well-balanced and resilient approach. Dare to expand your horizons and create a path to riches that is fortified by diversity and financial abundance. Compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful force on the journey to riches and becoming a millionaire. It is the phenomenon where your money grows exponentially over time, as the interest earned on your initial investment also earns interest. Embrace the mindset of a patient investor, understanding that the true magic of compound interest lies in consistency and long-term commitment. Make regular contributions. Even small amounts can compound into substantial wealth over the years. Embrace the power of delayed gratification, knowing that the compounding effect rewards those who are willing to play the long game. By harnessing the potential of compound interest, you unlock the door to financial freedom and create a legacy of wealth. It's not just about the amount you invest, but the time it has to grow. Start today and let the magic of compound interest propel you towards the abundant riches and financial security you deserve. Have a sense of urgency. It is the unwavering drive to take immediate action towards your goals and dreams. Embrace the mindset of a go-getter, understanding that time is a finite resource and every moment counts. Develop a burning desire within you that fuels your ambition and propels you forward, knowing that procrastination is the enemy of progress. Embrace the power of urgency, as it pushes you out of your comfort zone and encourages you to seize opportunities before they pass you by. Recognize that success favors those who are willing to hustle, work tirelessly, and push through challenges. Let the sense of urgency be your catalyst for growth and achievement. Each day wasted is a missed opportunity, so let the fire of urgency ignite within you and propel you towards the abundant riches and fulfillment you desire. Embrace the power of now and let your sense of urgency drive you towards the extraordinary life that awaits you. The pursuit of riches and becoming a millionaire requires not only financial strategies but also important skills that go beyond money. Cultivating a millionaire mindset, taking calculated risks, and embracing continuous learning are crucial. True wealth lies not just in our bank accounts but also in our character, impact on others, and living a purpose-driven life. Embrace these skills, believe in your potential, and let your journey toward riches be one of passion, determination, and unwavering dedication. The road to becoming a millionaire awaits you,